Hello guys, it's your brother Cryptowiizz and welcome to another HBAR update. Yeah, the price looks quite interesting right now. I mean, you could see that there is an intense battle between the bulls and the bears, and we've been consolidating for a couple of days and just been waiting for the price to take an action. For those who have been watching my videos, I've been talking about two different types of scenarios that could unfold where the yellow one is more bullish, and that is based upon that we're still expecting another wave to form that could take us anywhere between 49 to 72 cents. And the white scenario down here is more bearish. That is based upon that we already had our major top here, and we are currently moving in an ABC wave down, anywhere between 10 cents to 16 cents. Let us just zoom out. I mean, for those who have been following the H bar price movement during November, have been noticing a pattern where with every impulsive wave, we had a smaller correction, impulsive wave, smaller correction. And that was something I was expecting from this yellow scenario right now because we had a very huge correction down, I think over 35%. But this current price movement up from this wick down looks more corrective than impulsive. And this corrective price movement up looks like a typical ascending channel, right? Ascending channel could be both bullish and bearish, but that is really dependent on the price movement before. Since this movement down here was a decline, we could expect that it breaks out from the lower supporting line and take us anywhere here. And that goes aligned with this Fibonacci level I've already placed out for a third wave down. And for those who have also been following my technical updates, I've always said that within this C wave, right? So this C wave is quite impulsive. We usually have 5 subwave move down, so it looks like something like this. You have the first wave, the second wave, third wave, and then fourth, and then a fifth wave, right? So right now we have currently completed the first wave down with this wick, and it seems like this E wave up was the end of the second wave, and now we're moving in a third wave down. I just want to emphasize that usually in a third wave, as you see from here, one, two, three up, they're all really strong, right? So third wave could be really impulsive, fast, and it is the same thing in a corrective wave down. So I have also been talking a lot about this price support levels to have an eye for, right? So for this white scenario to take place, this price has to break firstly 28-cent level, and then we're between 24 to 25, and lastly the deal break I would say anywhere between 21 and 22. But right now, due to the nature of the price movement, I have even said that this should be a deal breaker, right? Because if this means that we have completed the second wave in a corrective wave up, the third wave down should take us anywhere between 18.8 cents to roughly 24 cents. So it could look like anything like this. And we have already shown a minor sign of a bearish movement since we broke the lower supporting trend line here, as you see, just a couple of hours ago. So as I said, have an eye on this target level here, 24.7 cents. But there is room also for another scenario, and it is that this A movement I've placed here is not really the A wave, but this could also be an A wave, right? So some people could say that this looks like an ABC for an A wave. That means that we could expect a B wave going up. And it could be tricky because that would mean that we could break both the horizontal orange line at 33 cents and even at 39 cents, but it still could be a corrective wave up. So it would look like something like this if we have a bigger A wave, B wave, and a C wave. But right now, I won't follow that pattern for right now. Let us just stick to this price movement here. For the white scenario to unfold, I would say if it breaks anywhere below 24 cents, expect a next target for the third wave here, roughly anywhere between 24 to 18 cents. But for the yellow scenario, if we manage to break the 33 cent, I would say that there is a huge resistance there. Next level should be 39 cents. But I would expect a more impulsive wave in order to take us up here in this region. Uh, and yeah, that was everything I had from the micro point of view. Let us just look at the macro updates. And as I said before, we are currently moving in a large ABC wave, right? And within this C wave, we have five strong waves up. So currently we have topped here, what I think, in the first wave at roughly 40, 39 cents. Now we're looking coming down in this white scenario here, anywhere between 16 to, yeah, 10 cents. And then the third wave should take us up anywhere between 73 to 148 dollar. That's the only thing right now I could be more precise about, since this fourth wave and fifth wave is really dependent upon where the third wave ends up. But there is a huge possibility from a technical point of view that in this bull run we could achieve anywhere between $2 to $4. So yeah, that was everything I had today about HBAR. And if you like the content, feel free to give me a comment and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.